Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing well. This is lesson number 3 of our basic level, and it's about family. And lesson 1 and lesson 2 we had discussed earlier, and in that lesson we had discussed me and my part 1, and in lesson 2 we had discussed me and my part 2. In that we had discussed how to write address format, date of birth format, and basically how to write date of birth, and how to write your name, middle name, first name, and last name. And yeah, in lesson 3 we had discussed gender and their titles, and gender works, that works are divided by their gender sometimes. So yeah, it's the lesson number 3, which is about family. Before watching this video, make sure that you subscribe this channel and like this video, share this with your friends, and comment your doubts. So let's start with the a exercise A1 diagram. Like this, one circle is for your family and one circle is for speaker's family. Suppose that I am a speaker for now. We both are different, so our family, like we both are different, so our family is also different. Like if we are cousins, so sometimes the cousins family are different, but sometimes they are not different. They are different from each other, but sometimes they are similar, they are same. Compare we have to compare, like for each, this circle is for yourself and this circle is for myself. So what you should do is to compare your family with my family. So we both are different persons, so our family is also different now, so we have to compare according to video. Like this lesson is about audio video, so I will not provide any video, but you can compare your family with your friends. Think of how your family similar to that of the speaker. Audio 3 means it's the exercise A is all about to family, all about to audio video. It's this exercise required audio video, but I don't have any video, so I can't provide you, sorry. And it's share my family and speaker's family. Well, basically I will not explain you all these exercises, that A exercise and share one, but I will explain you this family tree. That our family, basically family root is like grandparents is our family root. From grandfather and grandmother, they have three sons, they have three children, like our father, our uncle, and our aunt. And our uncle aunt, there are two uncles and two aunts, and your father and your mother. And from your father, you, your brother, and your sister. And from your uncle, your cousin, and your cousin. They can be its sister, they can be brother, they can be sometimes they can be brother and sister both. Like it doesn't mean that there is only boy or there is only girl. They can be both of them, they can be both of them. And from other uncle, they have also they from other uncle there are three children, and they can be boy or they can be girl. And from your one cousin, they have from your one cousin, like your sister or your brother, there are your son and your daughter. And from your uncle's aunt, from your uncle and aunt's cousin, from your uncle and aunt's children's, like means your cousin, there are your niece and your nephew. Means your cousin's children are your nephew and niece. Your cousin's children are your nephew and niece. Nephew means a boy and niece means girl. And here is your grandfather, means you have to put the name of them, like your grandfather name, and here your grandmother name, your father name, your mother name, your brother's your mother name, your brother name, your sister name, your cousin name, and your uncle name. And here you have to write the numbers of siblings. Like if you have one brother, so you have to write I have one brother. If you have two sisters, so you have write I have two sisters. If you has two uncles, so you should write two uncles. If you has two aunts, like if you have two aunts, so you should like you should write I have two aunts. If you have two cousins, so you should write I have two cousins. If you have one nephew, so you should write I have one nephew. If you have one niece, so you should write I have one niece. I have one niece. And if you have two more than one of them, or if you have more than one, so you should know that don't forget to add the s. Don't forget to make the singular to plural. Like after that, here is a food for thought. Do you take the help of the facilitator if you do not understand something? Of course, yes. So yeah, that was it. I hope that you subscribe, like, share, and comment. So it's very very short lesson, but it has l- speechless words. But this lesson I have only two slides, so I can't provide you more slides. And it's all about the family tree, and the two exercises, exercise A and share one, was all about the audio video. So I can't provide you the audio video, so that was not held. So yeah, that was it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learn from this a lot. I will meet you next time with you all.